Hello everyone. Today we have to see what is meant by transformer, what is the principle of transformer, what is the working and equation of transformer. So first of all, what is meant by transformer? Transformer is a device which is used to convert or to change the voltage of alternating current from low value to high value or high value to low value. Now this transformer based on the principle of mutual inductance. What is meant by mutual inductance? Whenever there is a change of current in the one coil, then an EMF is induced in the another coil or neighboring coil. What is the construction of transformer? This transformer consists of two coils, primary coil and secondary coil. And these two coils are wounded on a soft iron core. See, this rectangular frame is the soft iron core, and on this rectangular frame, these two coils are wounded, primary coil and secondary coil. Primary coil is called as input coil and secondary coil is called as output coil, because we have to apply the AC voltage to the primary coil, that is EP, that is what? EP, and we have to obtain the output voltage at the secondary coil, so it is called as output coil. Now what happens? Let NP be the number of turns of the primary coil and NS be the number of turns of the secondary coil. Now what happens? When we apply the AC voltage to the primary coil, then current is flowing through this coil. Let's suppose that current is IP, and when the current is flowing through this primary coil, then the magnetic flux of this soft iron core changes. Its magnetic flux changes. As the primary coil is linked with the secondary coil, so what happens? Magnetic flux of the primary and secondary coil will change, and that's why EMF is induced in the primary and secondary coil. So we have to calculate that EMF. How much is the EMF induced in the primary and secondary coil? So first of all, we have to write the magnetic flux of each coil. So let phi be the magnetic flux of the one turn. See, NP are the number of turns, NS are the number of turns, but this one turn is having a magnetic flux phi. So what is the magnetic flux of the primary coil? Phi p is equal to NP into phi, means number of turns of primary into magnetic flux of one turn. What is the magnetic flux of the secondary coil? Similarly, phi s is equal to NS into phi, means number of turns of secondary coil and magnetic flux of the one turn. So what is now the EMF induced in the primary and secondary coil? That is given by the Faraday's law. What is Faraday's law? E is equal to minus d phi by dt. So for primary coil, we have to write P here. So EP is equal to minus d phi p by dt. But what is phi p? NP phi. So we can substitute here. So minus d of dt of NP into phi. NP are the number of turns which are constant. So write out of the derivative. So minus NP into d phi by dt. Similarly for secondary coil, what is EMF induced? ES is equal to minus d phi s by dt. S for secondary coil. So substitute phi s from this equation. So that is equal to what? Minus d of dt of ns into phi. Ns is constant. So write out of derivative. So minus ns into d phi by dt. Now we have to find out the ratio of ES and EP. So divide ES by EP. So what we get then therefore? ES by EP. ES by EP is equal to, what is the right side of ES? That is equal to minus ns into d phi by dt. So minus ns into d phi by dt. Divided by EP. EP is what? Minus np into d phi by dt. See, d phi by dt get cancelled, minus minus get cancelled. So what is ES by EP? ES by EP is equal to ns by np, where this ns by np is called as turns ratio, or that is also called as transformers ratio. What is ns by np? ns by np is called as turns ratio, or it is also called as transformers ratio. And this equation is called as equation of transformer. This ES by EP is equal to ns by np. This equation is called as equation of transformer. Suppose if we consider this transformer is the ideal transformer. Ideal transformer means what? There is no loss of heat, means output energy is equal to input energy. So what you can say? For an ideal transformer, if the transformer is what? Ideal transformer, then what we can say? Input power is equal to output power, because there is no loss of power. So what we can say? Input power is equal to output power. So how much is the input power? Power is the product of EMF and current. So input means primary. Output means secondary. So what is input power? So current in the primary is IP and EMF induced in the primary is EP. So EP into IP is equal to what? Output power is what? ES into IS. So ES by EP we have to find out in the same way. This is equation number 1. So ES by EP is equal to what? IP by IS. Right? Call this as equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2. What is from equation 1 and 2? See, having same left side, so we can combine them. So what we get then? ES by EP is equal to NS by NP is equal to IP by IS. And this is the relation between the EMF induced in the primary or secondary coil, EMF induced number of turns, and current in the primary or secondary coil. Now there are two cases in this case. So what you can say, what are the cases? Which one is called as step up transformer and which one is called as step down transformer? So what you can say, case number 1. See, if NS is greater than NP, means number of turns in the secondary are greater than number of turns in the primary. See from this equation, NS greater than NP, so ES is greater than ES is greater than EP. So what you can say then ES is greater than EP, means output voltage is output voltage is greater than input voltage. And as the output means if we give the minimum voltage and we get the maximum voltage. So what you can say, such a transformer is called as step up transformer. Why we call this as step up transformer? Because output voltage appear is greater than the input voltage. And for this step up transformer, current in the primary is greater than current in the secondary. Case number 2. What is case number 2? If number of turns in the secondary are less than number of turns in the primary, means secondary has less turn. So what you can say, as NS is less, so ES is also less. So then what you can say, then ES is less than EP, means output voltage is less than input voltage, means voltage decreases. So what you can say, this is called as step down transformer. Step down means voltage decreases and step up means voltage increases. And for this step down transformer, IS is greater than IP, means current in the secondary is greater than current in the primary for the step down. And for step up, current in the primary is greater than current in the secondary. Thank you.